Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about the protocols. Data transfer on a network involves communication between the client and the server system. So some standard set of rules are used by the two systems to make this communication possible. Right? These network communication rules are known as protocols. Means when we want to establish connectivity between two computers for communication, some software should be loaded, and these softwares will help in communication, and that is called protocols. These softwares are known as a protocols. Okay, because in these software there is a rule and regulation for communicating between two computers or two devices. Next is HTTP. Its full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. When you have typed any URL in address bar, you have find this word HTTP dot then colon backslash, then you have to type www dot any website. Okay, what is the meaning of this HTTP? Is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is generally used in combination with www dot to access the hypertext documents, right? It is the web browser on the client machine which interacts with the remote machine called server, web server, using HTTP by sending HTTP request, and the web server delivers the requested resources to the client in the form of HTTP response. Suppose you are typing HTTP colon backslash to backslash www any website. So it does mean you are requesting to the server where this website is existing to display on your monitor. Okay, right? Next is TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. So Internet uses packet switching technique to transfer the data, and the job of converting the information into equal size packets is the responsibility of TCP at the source computer. It is also responsible to reassemble the received packets at the destination computer to the original information. The responsibility of IP is to assign the address of destination computer to each packet and enroute them over the network to their destination. Next is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Means when we have to transfer a file, this protocol will help, right? Next is IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. IMAP is a standard email protocol which help for transferring mail from one devices to the another devices. Next is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP or Simple Transfer Protocol is used when email is delivered from an email client to an email server, or when an email is delivered from one email server to another one. So these are the terminology which is related to the protocols, right? Next is Internet and Intranet. Internet is a worldwide connectivity, and intranet may be connected to any organization. Means only the people of those organization will be connected to that network, that is called intranet. Okay, internet is a world wide web, means it is globally, all the computers are connected globally, whereas in intranet only confined to the organization. Right? Thank you.